Hi everyone, I am Nabanita Santra and I am from Kolkata, West Bengal, and I have been Pune since last 11 years. I joined Cummins in year 2011 after completing my diploma. It has been almost 11 years in Cummins family. Currently I am working in TCL supply continuity of hardware commodity. I taking care of purchasing activity as well as supply chain activity. It was a great experience in attending lectures and studies. Going into this program, my aspiration is learn new things and implementation in my practical career for growth. I learned from this program how can manage everything in cool mind in critical situation. BIT's faculty is very friendly and very much supportive. They understand our situation that we are not only students, we are working professional along with the students. They guide us in different way to achieve our graduation degree, especially our BIT's coordinator Sudeep sir along with Kakre sir and Ravi sir. We are very well connected with during and after classes of every semester. They motivated us in every situation and try to improve our technique for easy learning of critical subjects. We were also given access to virtual lab and remote lab through which we could perform experiment remotely by booking a time slot of our convenience. The case studies and group studies helped me collaborate with my Cummins batchmates, which lead to lot of knowledge sharing. During the final project, we implemented hardware parts alignment from BS4 to BS6 transition, which gave cost saving to my organization and customer quality improvement and maintain the productivity of this work. Looking back, it was a fantastic, great and memorable journey of my life, which take me back away student life in between a professional journey. I am thankful to each and every member of my Cummins team, Cummins HR team and BITS faculty who gave me this opportunity to achieve my dream. I would like to recommend this program to diploma holders working with Cummins, as they can achieve their dream of higher education without taking any career break. Thank you.